Okay, today I'm making a new video of my potato cannon. I attached a stun gun to it rather than the grill igniter. Made new contacts for it so it arcs a lot better on the inside, makes a better spark. It goes a lot farther now. Instead of 100 yards, it goes like 200 yards. I'm going to try to get on video the arc of the potato when it flies out. It's kind of hard to see, so I'll do my best. So don't judge me. So I've never used this video camera before. I don't know what I'm doing, so I'm just going to cut this potato in like half because it's enormous. Oh yeah, that'll be a good one. The more snug the fit, the better. It makes more pressure and makes it fly out of there really fast. Got my cheap hairspray here. Aquanet, $2 at like Walmart, Kroger, wherever the heck you shop. Spray it for a couple seconds. Shove the cap on. Alright, see if I can move this camera. Here we go. Hopefully you saw at least it fly out of the barrel. Probably can't see it very well whenever it gets out there because it goes 200 yards. I mean, what camera is going to capture a shot at 200 yards? But anyway, yeah, it's a lot better. You can see the stun gun here. Vipertech, 7.8 million volts. See if I can get a shot of the arc on the inside. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. Total cost was like 30 bucks. Bag of potato, 10-pound bag of potatoes is like $3.50 or something like that. You can sit out here for at least an hour and shoot whatever the heck you want. It'll go straight through cardboard, straight through paper. If you hit a tree, it explodes. It's really a lot of fun. So I highly suggest getting one if you don't already have one. It's way better than normal guns or anything if that's what you're used to. So yeah, if you want me to get you the stuff, I'll make you one. You have to pay me, of course, but I don't mind doing it. So I hope you enjoyed watching.